name is Anvi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about Zudio perfumes. Now I didn't even know Zudio even did perfumes. I was just going through their clothes collection one day. I was just browsing through the store and I realized I walked past like a whole rack of perfumes and it had so many options in there. Like there was like a whole collection of perfumes. I was stunned because they are ultra affordable. They are like for $2.99 or $2.99 if I'm not wrong, for a 50 ml bottle. So that's very affordable. So I pretty much picked up like the whole collection. So I guess they have 3 for women and 3 for men, and they also have one unisex one. So I got the unisex one, I got one men's perfume, and I got all the women's perfumes that they had to offer. So before we get any further into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love for you all to be a part of my family. And if you're looking for samples for any of the perfumes that are maybe shown on my channel before, definitely hit me up on Instagram. I do have like a separate page for perfumes on Instagram. I'll link it down here. And what else? Definitely follow me on my Instagram. I do a lot of interesting perfume content on there, so I'll link it down here. Definitely follow me on there. And yeah, that's about it. Let's move on to the video. Okay, so these are the perfumes that I have from Zudio, and we're going to be talking about each and every one in detail. Okay, so let's start off with the packaging first. The packaging looks like this. So it's like a pretty simple cardboard box, and you have your perfume, which looks like this. There are like a few different colors that this comes in, and every single perfume is named after a city, so that is their concept, I guess. So I do have Los Angeles, Madrid, Malibu, Las Vegas, and Florence, and they all retail for $2.99. Look what I got. Who is she with tester strips and all? I decided to be a little more professional this time onwards. Who am I kidding? Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is called Malibu. This is the yellow bottle in the collection. I really like yellow. I really like the color yellow, and this is one of my favorite ones from the collection. So I'm gonna be talking about this one first, and I feel like a new woman when I use these tester strips and all. I feel like a professional perfume reviewer. I'm not gonna lie, these smell like a little synthetic in the opening, but not too much, not to like a point where it kind of bothers me. But this specific one kind of reminds me of Alien a little bit. Like a way fresher, way summered down, watered down version of Alien. This has the same grapey jasmine vibe to it, and the bottle doesn't say that at all. It feels like it's going to be like a nice summery fruity scent, but this one kind of gives me that same floral vibe that Alien has, but like a way fresher version to Alien. Okay, yeah, I can definitely see that. This kind of gives me like a very fresh, summery version of Alien, like way watered down, more of like a body mist. I really like this one. This one is called Malibu, and it lasts pretty well on my skin. Like it lasts like a body mist, I'm not gonna lie. So around 4 to 5 hours it kind of lasts on my clothes. So yeah, that's Malibu, and it's a very good one. So if you have to try just one out of all of the ones, you can definitely go ahead and try this if you like Alien. Don't come at me, it's not a dupe at all. It's not a dupe. It's very similar, I'd say. Like a very fresh Alien, but it's not a dupe, so don't come at me. Okay, so the next one on the list is called Madrid. This is the lavender bottle in the collection, and the bottle is really pretty. This one is a watery floral. It kind of reminds me of a water lily or a lotus. This has like those fresh white floral vibes. It's nothing else but like a watery floral perfume. It's not sweet. It's not, I'd say, fresh or aquatic. It's just a watery floral. So this kind of works for all the people who don't like super strong perfumes on them. Yeah, this is like a very mass-pleasing, light, watery floral. This kind of reminds me of Pure Lightness by Adidas. But that one is way better. But this one is actually really nice too. So the next one is the pink perfume of the collection. Every single perfume collection has to have like a pink perfume, and this one is that for Zudio's perfume collection. It's a very pretty pink bottle, and these bottles remind me of Studio West ones. They're very similar. Let me get them. Okay, so this is what the bottles look like. They're very similar. This one has like the smoky glass effect. This one is pretty clear. I personally like this one more. It has like a more luxurious feel to it, but this one is good nonetheless. Okay, so let's talk about Florence now. The opening on this one is really nice. It's refreshing. It's like a zesty pineapple kind of a thing. It's kind of synthetic a little bit, but it's really nice. It kind of gives this perfume like a fresher edge to it. And I would definitely say like this is like a fruity floral perfume. It's very mass pleasing, and I'd say there's nothing like in it that kind of blows my mind, but it's like a very nice mass pleasing perfume. Mind you, all of the perfumes that I have from Zudio are definitely like on the lighter side of things, so you know, I prefer them for summers over everything else. I definitely prefer them for summers. And this one is a very nice fresh fruity floral. I don't have like super good things to say about this one, but I don't have anything bad either. The lasting on these ones are pretty good for the price. I'd say they're pretty average, like around 3 to 4 hours on skin, and it lasts a little longer on clothes definitely. And you definitely have to overspray because these are on the lighter side. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so let's talk about this one. This one is called Los Angeles. This one is like the blue bottle of the collection, and this one is marketed more towards like the unisex side. Let's see how it smells like. This one gives me unisex vibes. I can definitely pull this off. This is like a generic fresh, it's like a fresh aquatic perfume with, you know, patchouli in the base, because this has like an earthy base to it. Pro tip, if you want to smell what the dry down of the perfume smells like and you don't have a lot of time on your hands to, you know, go through the whole journey of the perfume, definitely smell the atomizer, because that gives you like a fair idea of how the dry down is going to be. Because when you first, you know, spray the perfume, you definitely get a whiff of all your top notes and heart notes, but the base notes take a little bit of time. So definitely go ahead and smell the atomizer so you get a fair idea. But yeah, coming back to this one, this is a really nice one. I can pull this off. This has like a little bit of spice in it as well. So an aquatic, a little bit of spice, a little bit of that greenness to it, because it kind of smells a little earthy in the dry down. And yeah, that's what Los Angeles is all about. It's a freshie. It's a very good freshie. Okay, so the last one on the list is called Las Vegas. Now this is like the green bottle of the collection, and this is the men's perfume. Okay, this one is like a fruity man's perfume. This kind of reminds me of like a mocktail, of like a summer fresh mocktail with lemon in it, with a lot of, you know, citrus fruits in here. So this is more of like a citrus fresh perfume, and I'd say that this one kind of smells more unisex to me than that one. That one kind of smells like straight up man's fresh cologne, and this one kind of gives me like that unisex vibes, and I can definitely pull this one off too. I like this one. I really like it. The dry down is musky in this one. It's not earthy, it's kind of musky. So that's what I like more about this perfume. This one is good, and it's called Las Vegas. So I feel like I kind of just skipped on one perfume, and that one was called Tokyo. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't really remember the name for the other one and I think I just bought it. It's Las Vegas, but yeah, I think I just skipped on one. So as far as I remember, Tokyo comes in like this grey transparent packaging, and it kind of smells a little bit metallic. It's like a metallic citrus perfume, which is purely like for men. I don't think I can pull that one off. That's like one of the only reasons I didn't buy it. It's like again on the fresher side of things, but it has like this fresh metallic cold touch to it, which kind of smells really good on men. So all you men out there, definitely check out Tokyo. It's like a fresh citrusy but at the same time kind of cold metallic. Okay, so that's about it for today's video. I hope you liked it. My hair is a mess, ignore it. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love for you all to be a part of my family. And if you're looking for samples and decants for any of the perfumes that I've showed on my channel before, definitely head over to my perfume Instagram. I'm doing like a sample thing on there. Definitely follow me on there, definitely DM me on there, and I'll get back to you with the details. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I do a lot of perfume content on there as well, so definitely follow me if you're a fragger like I am. And what else, I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.